ओके, हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम टुडे वी डिस्कस सम न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स बेस्ड ऑन सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रजिस्टर्स एंड पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रजिस्टर्स. So first we revise some important formulas used in some numerical problems. When more than two resistors are connected in series, so say the three resistors be R1, R2 and R3. They are connected in series as shown in this figure between A and B. Then effective resistance between these two resistance, these 2 points is given by Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. If more than 3, say number of resistors n are connected in series, then this formula become Rs equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus so on up to R1. Right? And if they are connected in parallel, say this is resistance R1, this is another resistance, say it is R2, and this is another resistance, same value be R2. They are connected with a battery of EMF, say source plus V volt, then its effective resistance is given by this formula, or we can say the reciprocal of effective resistance is numerically equal to the sum of the individuals reciprocal. We have completed up to this exercise. If more than 3, then plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R5 like that up to 1 by R. Now we solve some numerical problem based on these two relations. And suppose here you can learn also one small formula. Suppose only two resistors are connected in parallel, then Rp is equal to, after simplification, we get R1 R2 upon R1 plus. You know it, right? So now numerical is lesson note down in short. If 4 resistors, we have example number 1, diploma, only example 1, page number 155. Question is, listen carefully, and we have to draw diagram according to question. Now question is, 4 resistors of 2 ohm each are joined end to end to form a square ABC. How many resistors are given? 4. Value of each resistors be 2 ohm. They are connected end to end and to form a square ABC. That means we have to first draw the circuit diagram. So first we say we draw this diagram. So it is AB. What is its value? 2 ohm. Now end to end means another end start from here. The third one is connected here. Its value is again 2 ohm. This become point C, and then again 2 ohm. This is your D point, and this is it is in the form of square. To take it out of once. Now problem is, this is your board exam question CBSE 2011. Calculate the equivalent resistance of the combination between any two adjacent corners. It is difficult problem. Here given is to calculate the effective resistance. क्या निकालना है? लेकिन to find out effective resistance we need the two endpoints. So here two endpoints are given between any two adjacent corners. तो बताओ इसमें adjacent corners कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? D. Or we have to calculate the resistance between these two adjacent corners. वो कह देता अपोजिट कॉर्नर. सेम क्वेश्चन को आप कर सकते हैं टू फाइंड आउट द इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस बिटवीन अपोजिट कॉर्नर. इन दिस केस ए एंड सी और बी और, तो जहां भी आपको चाहिए बैटरी विल कनेक्टेड बिटवीन दिस टू टर्मिनल. It means if you connect it, here we not necessary to connect it because we are not interested to calculate I. But if we interested to calculate I also, so we need a battery. So in this situation, battery will connect it between it. This is extra point. I say it is B. But in the case of opposite corner, we connect the battery between A and C. Then or between B. So now tell me कि कौन-कौन से resistors are connected in series and which one are connected in parallel in this situation. Our aim is to find out the effective resistance between two adjacent corners, say between A and B. तो बताओ इसमें कौन-कौन से resistor series में कौन से parallel में? सब series में. Now these two become an end point. These three resistors are connected in series. We can draw an equivalent diagram. We can say like that. Okay, this is the resistor. This point is A. This point is B. It is 2 ohm. And this your one point. Another point of resistor AD connected the first point of DC. So we can say this AD, DC and CB are in series like that. This point become AD, then DC, then CB. These three resistors are in series, and this B point and B point common point, they are connected. This just like a B is here. And this A and A is common point. This is here. It's become these three are in series with parallel to this one. Series with
this can be done with any of the resistors.
Any of the resistors? Yes. So, but it is given in the question that two adjacent corners. If you choose these two adjacent corners B and C, then these three resistors are in series and this is in parallel. If you choose C and D, then these three resistors are in series and that is इसलिए मैंने कहा मेरे को बताना पड़ेगा. If you choose these two corners, these three resistors are in series and then this is parallel. But in the case of opposite corners, these two are in series, these two are in series, and then they are parallel. So please read the question carefully before solving. Now it's so simple. This is 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm. So what is the value of 2 plus 2 plus 2? It is 6 ohm. So again we can draw an equivalent diagram. It's become like that, simple diagram. One resistor here, another is here, and this is our A point, this is our B point. Between A and B it is 2 ohm, or this complete become 6 ohm. Now we apply this formula. Rp is equal to R1 R2. This you can calculate this effective resistance of given combination at the two adjacent point is 2 into 6 upon 2 plus 6 is equal to 12 upon 8. 4 to the 8, 4 to the 12 equal to 1.5. So this is this one I solved with the help of diagrams, but mathematically also we can solve it. How? If this circuit is equivalent to this, so first we have to calculate this resistance. So resistance between, we can mark this point A. This is your B and C. So R A D C D. This means A D C B. We are interested in this. If I write down like this, if this is equal to R A D, this is your AD point, plus R DC plus R CB. This is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6 ohm.
Then we have to draw this equivalent diagram.
Then you draw the equivalent diagram, this extra part, and then RP is equal to this. So effective resistance of the square ABCD when we are taking two adjacent corner is given by that equation. Now stop.